音読みじ空読みドキThis kanji mean time or hour. When we talk about time, they will use this kanji to represent of the time. So what you have to remember is about this kanji meaning and ongyumi reading and kunyumi reading. Let's see about how to use this kanji to compound with another kanji. Jikan. Jikan is mean time or hour. For example, you want to say 1 hour, you can say Japanese line 1時間is which mean 1 hour. And when you want to say 2 hours, you can say 2時間is mean 2 hours. Ji is mean from the time, is mean that time, and the kanji of kan is mean the interval between two from one point to another point. So when you use the time with the interval, that means the time between one point to another point. Jidai is mean period or era. Ji is mean the time, and dai is mean the some era. So when you put these two kanji together, you can say jidai and is mean period or era. For example, you want to say Edo jidai. Edo jidai is mean the era in Edo, or Edo era, or the period of Edo. Or you can say another like Showa jidai or Heisei jidai. Heisei is the Japanese emperor name, or even Showa or Edo. GQ is mean hourly rate. G is mean the time, and Q is mean the kanji of Q is mean pay something. So that means you put G and the kanji on G and Q together is mean hourly rate, or the money that you pay for every hour. Jiki is mean time or season. The kanji of Ji is mean that the time, and Ki, the kanji of Ki is mean the period from some time to some time. For example, the winter, right? The winter period, or the summer period or something. So you can say Jiki. And you want to say winter period, you can say Fuyu Jiki, right? Fuyu Jiki, Haru Jiki. So the Jiki is represent for the time from one point to another point. Or you can say the period between summer and winter. So you can say summer is mean Natsu, right? Natsu and Natsu to Fuyu. Fuyu is mean winter. So you can say Natsu to Fuyu no aida no chiki. It's mean the point or the season that between summer and winter. Doji is mean simultaneous. The kanji of do is mean the same time, the same. Ji is mean the time, so it mean the same time or something that happen together. Doji, this mean do something together. For example, you work together, or you go to work together, or you do something and at the same time you also do something. For example, you can say like 勉強しながら同時にアルバイトもしてます。which means you work, you study, but at the same time you also do a part-time job too. So this, for example, you do something together. 勉強しながら同時にアルバイトもしてます。which means you study, but at the same time you also do a part-time job. 時速 is mean speed, the speed per hour. Ji is mean the time, and soku is from, it mean speed. The kanji of soku is from the kanji of hayai, where hayai is mean the speed. So when you put the kanji of time and the speed together, it mean the speed that per hour. Jisoku. For example, you want to say what's the speed of Shinkansen, right? Shinkansen no jisoku wa ikura desu ka? Which means what is the speed of Shinkansen? Shinkansen no jisoku wa 300 km 毎時間 This means the speed of Shinkansen is 300 km per hour. 時差 is mean the time difference. So for example, you can say the time difference between Japan and United States. What is the time difference between Japan and United States? So you can say 日本とアメリカの時差は何時ですか？日本とアメリカの時差は何時間ですか？ Right. So it means what is the time difference between Japan and United States? Or you can compare with your country. 時差 means the time difference. For example, 2 hours or 3 hours or 24 hours. 時間割 is mean timetable. 時間 is mean the time, right? Wali, this means you divide something. So that means you divide the time to your table. So it means timetable. 時間割 Toki is mean the time, hours, moment, or occasion. For example, あの時 is mean that time. あの時楽しかったです。あの時厳しかったです。あの時疲れました。Which means in that time I'm tired. In that time is too fun. In that time is hard for me. You can say like this. So in that time like that, you can say toki. For example, ano toki, sono toki, right? Kirikai toki. Kirikai toki, which means time to switch over or respond time. Toki doki. Toki doki. Toki doki means sometimes. For example, toki doki お寺へ行きます right? So this means I go to the temple sometime, or I sometimes go to the temple. Or you can say 田中さんは時々神社へ行きます。田中さんは時々神社へ行きます。Which means Mr. Tanaka-san sometimes go to the jinja. Toke is mean watch or clock. The kanji of to is mean the time, and the kanji of ke or k is mean calculation. So when you put the kanji of time and the kanji of calculation, is mean watch or clock. この時計はいくらですか? Which mean how much is this clock, or how much is this watch? その時計は1万円です。That means that clock or that watch is 10,000